Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Device Lock over here and select Screen Lock. Now you can finally click on one of those lock methods to pick the best one for you. Pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. Lastly, you need to answer this question by tapping on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so all I need to do is click on Done. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!